Namaste, it's me Lokendra Sound, and today I have brought the second class of states. This is for the grade 7 students. And first of all, I want to welcome you all. Welcome, students. Now, let's start today's class. And first of all, I want to talk about finite and infinite states. Okay, it's started from 4 because some of the terms I explained in previous classes. And what is the meaning of finite and infinite states? Okay, I am going to tell you about it. Okay, and see here, you know that finite means its meaning, if they are countable. Definition is here. Finite sets. A set having finite number of elements. Okay, elements is called finite set. Look, example, set A. Inside set A, there are how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 4 elements are there. We can count them. That's why it is finite set. And similarly, infinite set means what? A set having an infinite number of elements. Okay, is called infinite set because look, in example A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5 or okay, there is no end. At last one, there is no element. Okay, we cannot count them. There are infinite elements. That's why it's called infinite set. Let's move to the another slide. And 5 number, look here, empty set and singleton sets. What is the meaning of empty set? A set having no element is called an empty set. An empty set, look at example A equals to this curly bracket. Okay, this curly bracket, this empty curly bracket, or we can write the 5. 5 means we can write 0 and cross that one. Okay, that's 5 1 because there's no element, that's why it's empty curly bracket. And here just be the set of odd numbers between 5 and 7. Between 5 and 7 there is 6 only, there is no odd number, that's why it is also empty set. Similar next set also look, C equals to boys student of PK college. Okay, Bagh Bazaar. Okay, PK college Bagh Bazaar means that in PK college, this is the Padma Kanya college, there is no boy student, that's why it is also empty set. And similarly, look at a set having only one element is called a single tone set. Single tone set means that set which has only one element. Look at set A, 8, there's only one. Set B, there is 2 only, and set C equals to 0. Okay, in this, all the set there is only one element, that's why these are single tone set. Okay, now next, let's move to the next slide. Equivalent set. What is the meaning of equivalent set and equal sets? Okay, that I am going to tell you. A pair means two sets. Okay, don't forget that pair means two sets. A pair of sets having equal number of elements are called equivalent sets. Means set A, inside set A 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 elements. In set B, inside B, there's in this curly bracket there are 4 elements A, B, C, D, and C 5, 10, 11. This 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, and here also 4 elements, here also 4 elements, here also 4 elements. That's why these are equivalent, so because they contain the same number of elements. Okay, next one, look here. A pair of sets having same number of elements and same elements are called equal set. To be the equal set, there must be same number of elements and same elements also. That means we have to understand that equal sets are equivalent set, but all equivalent set are not equal set. Please keep in mind that all equal sets are also the equivalent set because they contain the same number of elements, but they have the same to same element. That's why they are equal. So look, set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside set B also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's why these two sets A and B are called equal sets. Now let's move to the next slide. Here, okay, in this one here, universal set. What is the meaning of universal set? The set which includes all the elements of other sets under consideration or the discussion. Okay, it's called a universal set. it is denoted by capital U. Wherever it is in capital U, we have to understand that it is the universal set. Okay. And look at, for example, set A, B, C, D, E, F, set B, A, E, I, O, U, set C, W, X, Y, Z. And look at, can you make a single set which has the characteristic of all the above sets? Okay, that's question asked. Okay, yes, the set of the letters of English alphabet is the universal set, because do you know, in English alphabet there will be A to Z element. That A to Z contains all the elements of the set A, set B, set C. That's why that's the set having all the elements that know all the letters, you can all the letters of that one English alphabet contains the element of the set A, set B, and set C. That's why that is known as universal. Let's see that in another page, another slide. Okay, see there. Next one. Okay, there's given because. Okay, okay, continue that one. I have just told all the above sets are included in the set of English alphabets. So we can write universal set equals to letters of English alphabets. Okay, it means others above sets are, okay, subsets of universal. Subset means that no, those all the sets are contained here. That's why they are the subset of this universal set. Okay, and this is for the question for the assignment. It has come here. Okay, I have given this another one. Okay, it has come here. Okay, okay, I'll move it in another page one. Let's see here. There's another one. See. Okay, these are the questions for the assignment. Okay, these are the questions for the assignment. For easiness, I am moving it to another one. Okay, now we can have, we can move it and we can code this, and we can write all this one in another page. Okay, so that you can write this all the questions for the assignment. Okay, now let's see. This is already written. Okay, see here. I have put as 3 questions. Please do this. These are the questions for the assignment. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and another there is given. B equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, and C equals 2, 4, 6, 8. Find the universal set, okay, of them, and write two examples of equivalent set, equal set and equivalent set. Okay, equal sets and equivalent set, empty sets, finite set, infinite set. Okay, and define the following terms with examples. Three examples you have to give. Null set 3 example give. Infinite set also 3 example give. Okay, these 3 questions are your assignment, and you have to do this, and you have to send me. Okay, you can use the mail. Okay, for the submission of homework. Okay, this one. Okay, see here I want to show. Okay, these are the questions for your assignment. Okay, today this much only. You can write answer and you can find out the answer. Okay, and you have to submit. Thank you very much. Okay.